Again, DHEA gets broken down in your body into estrogen and testosterone. And as we talked about, we're not trying to turn you into Arnold Schwarzenegger, but this is the, basically giving you back the testosterone that your body used to make while your ovaries were, at the top of their game, and now they're not really producing it anymore. Testosterone helps with lean muscle mass and metabolism, and so it really will help you gain weight. There have been several studies actually looking at menopausal women and adding DHEA, and statistically, they do lose more weight than women that are not on DHEA. So there are studies that do show that it does work that way, beyond just the theoretical that we're talking about.
For me, my energy level went up. And, honestly, when your energy level goes up, so does your mood. Your mood improves. And so for me, it was just sort of this whole, I hate to say, stratospheric change. It was just awesome.